Let's draw a cheerful clown. First, draw the clown's head. And a smile. Then draw a round nose. Super! Draw a silly hairstyle. And a small hat on his head. Draw the clown's body, a big circle with a line down the middle. Remarkable! Then draw his arm. Now draw the second one. Fantastic! And now it is time to draw his suspenders. And 2 buttons on his pants. You are doing a wonderful job. Now draw a leg. And another leg. Splendid! Look what a happy clown you have made!